The industry is still silent, it says nothing. Because this recipe eliminates wrinkled and sagging skin. One problem that every person must face is over the years. When this happens, our skin begins to lose its sagging and wrinkles begin to appear. But not only that, accompanying wrinkles come stains and lines of expression. Undoubtedly, this is something that most women are afraid of. Nowadays, the cosmetic industries have invaded all these spaces with their publicity. The industry generates so much money that they promote their products to the four winds. However, these creams and masks for the skin are getting higher and higher in price. That's why fewer people can buy it over the years. Also, we know that they are not always as effective as they promise. It is at this moment that natural remedies come into play, much cheaper and more effective. These are able, in a matter of days, to eliminate all skin problems caused by age. Best of all, these remedies need ingredients that are easily accessible and very inexpensive. Therefore, it does not require much effort to prepare it. If you also want to enjoy a perfect skin without spots or wrinkles, you cannot miss this. In addition to that, said remedy will bring nutrients and minerals to your skin that will make you look radiant. Pay attention to the following information so you know what to do. Natural mask to eliminate wrinkles and blemishes. Ingredients: 1. Honey 1 tablespoon. 2. Half onion. 3. Clay powder 2 tablespoons. Preparation and use: 1. To begin, we must peel and chop very well the average onion. Then we throw them in a pestle or mortar and crush them. Now, proceed to heat the honey to become less thick. Then we will pour all the ingredients in a bowl and mix them until a paste is formed. If you still do not take this consistency, you can add several drops of olive oil or almonds. 2. Before using this mask, you must wash your face deeply with neutral soap. Then we dry it by patting, not rubbing. Then apply the mask and leave for 40 minutes and rinse with plenty of water.